How to use the real law of attraction. Within you lies dormant a power so great, so creative, so magnificent, it will astound you. Discover the natural laws of life and the universe. The universe is energy. We are energy. Learn how to tap into this energy. Unravel the mystery of your miraculous inner power. You will be amazed at how easy you can do this, and how you can create your own destiny. Using an ancient secret, for years this secret has been hidden from the masses. But now, thanks to the internet, the secret is out. Discover the proven formula that shows you how to create your life. Unbelievable as this may sound, there is actually a formula to creating your life, which has been proven to deliver time and time again. You can find out in a free manifesting guide, which you can download at the end of this video. In this free guide, you'll discover the easiest and fastest way to achieve your dream, whatever that may be, whether it's a relationship, money, a house, or a job. Evolution is speeding up, faster and faster. You don't want to be left behind. Create a future filled with joy and the life of your dreams. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city, if that is what you want. Get your dream job, relationship, or just escape old patterns. Clear out the anchors of the past and break free. Use your mind to create the life you desire. Many just run on autopilot. The natural law of life states that you are the creator. Start small and prove it to yourself first. Discover the real law of attraction and how to break through the invisible walls from the past. Become aware of repeating patterns that are running your life. First, write down what you desire and read it on a daily basis. Energize yourself, exercise regularly, walk, run, or just dance. Visualize and energize your desire. With a positive energy, visualize the end result. Practice makes perfect. Practice, practice, practice daily. Discover your natural manifesting power, that which we are born with and use every day. What is it that causes all your experiences in your everyday life that appear again and again? If you don't know these manifesting secrets to your mind, and the majority of us didn't until now, then you will repeat the past over and over and over, just like Groundhog Day. The mind is a wonderful servant, but a terrible master. Now is the time to become the master of your mind. Master your mind, and you'll master your life. Discover how you can become the true manifester of your experiences, your life, your relationships, your money, and your happiness. Download your free Manifesting Genius Guide, Awaken the Manifesting Genius, now. Just go to www.manifestyourdesires.me or click on the URL link in the description